Okay guys, it's me again, Nicole, your trusted Bulacan Realtor. Guys, magugulat kayo kasi meron tayong newly discovered project here in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Nakikita nyo ba kung gaano kaganda yung model unit na yan? Pero bago ang lahat, pag-usapan natin yung location. So ayan, ganito yung community ng area. Ang location niya ay Northridge, Santo Cristo, Barangay Santo Cristo, San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. To give you an idea, this is 2 minutes drive from the highway. Tapos, 5 minutes drive from Star Mall, San Jose del Monte. So, kung familiar ka sa Star Mall, San Jose del Monte, within 5 minutes drive or 5 minutes away. Ganun kaganda yung location, mataas yung area niya. Ang San Jose del Monte naman non-flooded talaga eh. So, this is an open village, okay? So, don't expect like something, a typical subdivision, gated with complete amenities, etc. This is just an open village, very quiet. Lots of open spaces. As you can see from my video, ganito yung magiging community nyo dito. Ganyan siya. Ano yan? So, ito yung community niya. Tapos, syempre bawal mag-walk-in dito kasi kailangan dito isasamahan ka namin, kita, or one of my team kapag mag-viewing ka dito, 'di ba? No walk-ins. So, ito yung ating model unit. Nakikita nyo, 'di ba? Yung design niya, it's not your typical design ng bahay. Napakaganda at very classic. Nasa screen, fina-flash ko sa screen yung kanyang lot area at saka floor area. Nakikita nyo naman sa screen, napakaluwag nung kanyang magiging garahe. 2 sasakyan pa to. Sa sobrang haba nung niya, straight garage. Ang ganda guys, napakalaki. Magugulat kayo mamaya, ipapakita ko sa screen yung kanyang sample computation. Very affordable to. So, sliding yung ating window. Ito yung ating door na maganda. Ang ganda ng kulay. Tapos yung tiles, kasi to complete finish turnover. So, nakikita nyo naman, what you see is what you get. This is an actual turnover unit. Napakaganda ng ceiling. May design. Tapos may space pa dito sa hagdan. Ito yung tiles mo. Ang ganda ng kitchen turnover. Meron ng cabinet, baba at taas. Napakaganda. Oh, tignan nyo yan. At 3 yung kwarto, 2 yung CR. Tignan nyo naman yung toilet and shower nyo, guys. Very nice. 'Di ba? Pati yung color ng door ng toilet. Tapos, yung kanyang service area, sobrang laki. Kita mo yan? Ayan oh. Ay, grabe. Ang laki oh. Ipapa-enclose mo na lang to, guys. Ganito kalawak yung mo. Ang laki niya. From the back, ganito yung itsura niya. Wow, exciting. So, ito siya, laki ng floor, Grabe, ang ganda. Ganito yung itsura ng stairs. Yan. Kung nakikita nyo, concrete yan. Tapos, naka-partition na yung bedrooms. Talagang complete finish ta. Literal na gamit na lang. So, this is your bedroom number 1. Ang ganda ng design ng kanyang window. May style. Tapos, ito, bedroom number 2. Kaya pwede rin to sa big family. Ang maganda sa master's bedroom, guys. Ay, grabe. Tignan mo. Bihira yung may toilet sa sariling master's bedroom. Ito, yung master's bedroom niya, may toilet and shower. So, ang maganda dito, guys, 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath. Ayan. Grabe, ang ganda. So, kung ang target mo, San Jose del Monte, pero affordable, malaking bahay, community na hindi ganun ka-strict for your expansion or whatsoever, tahimik na komunidad, flood-free, malapit sa mall, accessible sa future MRT7, kung check lahat yan ng mga sinabi ko sa'yo guys, baka ito na talaga yung hinahanap mong bahay sa San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. So, ngayon, without further ado, pasok ba to sa budget mo? O, sige, ito na yung sample competition, ha? So, ayan. Fina-flash ko siya ngayon sa screen. So, ayan yung kanyang sample competition. Para sa townhouse na to na napakaganda. Yan, nakita nyo yan. Total contract price, reservation, down payment, amortization, bank only. So, again, that's the sample competition. Strictly no walk-ins. You have to contact me directly. Viber, WhatsApp number 0917-114-2422. Yan yung aking phone number. Okay guys, so all you need to do is to contact me for other details scheduled ng tripping dito guys, para makita mo yung model unit, makita mo yung area. Okay, papasok siya. Okay, again, papasok. 3 minutes drive from the highway. Alright, so this is the community. Alright, so don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, everyone. Thank you for watching.